one of my toughest, most difficult adversities is being like my biggest adversary, being basically in everything in my business, and just like not like, I trust my people, but I don't trust them all the way at times. And it's not because like I don't believe in them. It's just and everybody goes through this, like as a business owner, like I've solved all the problems and I've been everything for my businesses since the beginning. And so it's so hard to get yourself out of that. And it doesn't mean you like totally remove yourself from your business, but you're going to have to let your people make the mistakes and then coach and train and believe in them and trust them. And they're not going to be perfect, and they're not going to be doing it the way you do it. And I personally struggle immensely with that. But it's something like I've been praying to God every morning. Allow me to work through my people more, and allow me to believe and trust in my people more. And every day I feel like I'm getting just 1% better. I'm getting a little bit more free. And I think a lot of people struggle with this, really letting your team run what they're good at and not having your fingers in everything. It'll totally transform what you're doing in your business.